Going against the waves. Namaste. Welcome back to Blossom with Bhushita. Today I'm going to talk about peer pressure, something that all of us deal with in our daily lives, regardless of our age. I remember I was in 7th grade and most of the children my age started using abusive diction in their everyday communication as though it had become a normal part of their language. I don't know if they simply found it cool or if they learnt it from TV shows, but it was like a domino effect. Quite fast, everybody started picking these words. Then in 9th, most of my peers started stepping into relationships. All this while, even though I was also a developing teenager with the same hormonal influences, I restricted myself from acting in a particular way just because everyone was doing it. Yes, at times I definitely felt a little left out when I wasn't on social media or when I didn't feel comfortable dressing up the way everyone else did. That's when I actually realized the essence of individuality. You are a unique person blessed with special traits and qualities. Instead of being happy under your skin, we often start self-pitying ourselves and craving to experience the perfect lives of our fellow friends who seem to have no speck of worry in the world. While scrolling through Instagram and Facebook feeds, we feel everyone is living in paradise and enjoying every moment of their life. There's a strong sense of loss aversion that is felt, and long-term exposure to such a feeling has proven to ultimately lead to cases of depression. Comparison creates chaos in our minds, and even though we may have way more than we actually need, we feel incomplete and unhappy about our situation because we see others in a more joyful state. Humans are social animals, and it is psychological to have the tendency to try and feel accepted and included in the society. We want to belong to a group and feel a sense of community. This is why we resort to peer pressure, to be able to fulfill that missing gap in our lives. A research study was conducted where a group of students were deliberately asked to give the wrong answer to a very obvious question while sitting in a class with 2 to 3 children who were unaware of this experiment. The teacher asked the students to answer the straightforward question, and because everyone else gave the wrong answer, these confused kids also resorted to provide the same response because naturally they feared that others would think they were stupid. This is what peer pressure does, and it has led individuals to consume alcohol and take drugs. Gradually, what is happening is that each one of us is losing our identity. We are no longer the same internally as we showcase ourselves to the world because we have covered our true self with a mask of deception and fake reality. It is up to you if you want to follow others or others to follow you, but you can only choose one path. It is very easy to blow away with the wind, but it is very hard to go against the waves. Bruce Lee said, "I am not in this world to live up to your expectations, and you're not in this world to live up to mine. Just because everyone else is doing something doesn't mean you should do it too. It is better to walk alone than with a crowd that is going in the wrong direction. The world remembers those who do things differently. So either you can become mentally strong and confident in yourself or become an imitator. The decision is yours to take." With this thought, I leave you to ruminate. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. See you soon.